This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hey there, here is yet another question in front of us and we need to determine the output for this program. Now this program is a little tricky. You can try to simulate what should be the output of this program, but I can straightway tell you that there is a compile time error in this program because we are simply catching the exception first and then we are trying to catch the arithmetic exception. As a result, for this question, definitely the answer is compile time error. Let me check the answer. Good job. Hey there, here is yet another program in front of us, and in here we have a class by the name of quiz. Alright, so this is good enough, and then moving forward we also have the main method in here, and inside the main method we have try, catch and finally block as well. So this time we are also checking out the finally block, which is good. Alright, so in here we are simply calling in the method x first of all. So let us quickly check the method x as well, and inside the method x there is a exception thrown. Alright, so we are simply throwing a arithmetic exception. Alright, so the exception is thrown. As a result, the next statement will not get executed and the exception would be caught by our arithmetic exception block. As a result, the statement inside the catch block will get executed. Alright, and the statement is simply system.out.print b. So alphabet b would be printed on the console first of all. Now moving forward, we also have the finally block, and inside the finally block we have a yet another statement. And the statement will print d. So first of all we will print b, then we will print d. And outside the try, catch and finally block, we also have a yet another statement in here, and this statement will simply print e. So as a result, the output should be b, d, e. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. Let us check whether our program gives a proper output. Yes, b, d, e was the expected output, and our program is also giving the same output. Hey there, here is yet another program in front of us, and in here first of all we have a class by the name of quiz, and inside this class quiz we have a static method x. Alright, so this is cool. Let us check the main method first. Inside the main method, first of all we have a try block, and inside the try block we are simply calling in the method x, and there is a catch block as well, and finally after the try catch block we also have a simple hello world statement. Good enough. So now let us check the method x. Alright, so first point in here, method x is a static method. As a result, we can directly call this method. Alright, so in here inside the method x we have the try finally block, and the try block is directly throwing an exception. Now before returning to the main method, the finally block will get executed. As a result, first of all the finally text would be printed on our console. The statement inside our finally block will get executed. Then moving forward, the try block inside our main method is encountered with an exception. As a result, the catch block of the main method will get executed, right? So the catch block is highlighted right now. You can view this on our screen. Moving forward, inside this catch block we are simply printing the text exception. So after the text finally we would be printing exception, and finally we will be also printing hello world. So pretty simple. Finally exception hello world would be the output for this program. Let us check whether we have got this right. Yes, the output is perfect, and the correct option is finally exception hello world. Alright, so this was the explanation, a quick explanation indeed. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Hey there are a couple of more interesting questions in front of us. Let us check. In order to achieve object serialization under Java, we need to implement serializable interface. Well, the answer is true. Alright, let us proceed further. What is the next question? Lambda expression is available from which version of Java? And I suppose the lambda expression was introduced after version 8, I suppose. Let me check the answer. Well, I got that right. Let us proceed further. Now, well, question number 6. Try with resources is available from which version of Java? I suppose this was available post version 7 of Java. Let me check the answer. Good job once again. Let us proceed further and check the yet another question. Try with resources could be used for handling exception automatically, closing the resource automatically, for implementing type safety, none of above. The second option is the correct option. The overall purpose of try with resources is to close the resource automatically. Alright, so let's check the answer. Good job. Let's proceed further. Buffered reader class is thread safe. Yes, definitely it is a thread safe class. True. Alright, so the ninth question. It is not possible to create user-defined exception under Java. Well, it is possible. So definitely this statement is false, and it is surely 100% possible to create user-defined exception in Java. So now here is the final question from this quiz in front of us. When the statements placed under finally block gets executed, what are the options? If an exception occurs, if no exception occurs, the statement placed under finally block will always get executed, none of above. The third option is the correct option. If we place any statements in our finally block, they will get executed, no matter whether the exception occurs or not. So the third option is the correct option. Let's check the answer. Good job once again.